The results of a study conducted by the U.S. Geological Survey indicates the probability of a rupture occurring along various segments of the San Andreas Fault for the years between 1988 and 2018. The highest probability, 90%, was assigned to the Parkfield, California area, where a 6.0 magnitude quake struck in 2004. Shallow focus earthquakes are produced in response to the bending and fracturing of the lithosphere as it begins its descent into the mantle. With increasing depths, earthquake epicenters occur in the interior of the descending slab, where it is cool enough to maintain some rigidity. Mantle rocks that surround the plate are too soft to accumulate elastic strain energy, and thus do not generate earthquakes.